If you're looking for a specific version of Windows to install, the first thing most people do is go to the official Microsoft website. But here's the problem. They only show the latest version available. Even for Windows 10, it's the same story. You only see the latest build. So what if you need an older version, a specific build, a preview version, or a version for testing? In this video, I'll show you how to get any Windows version ISO directly from Microsoft servers. Let's start. Go to this website. This website allows you to access Windows files directly from Microsoft servers. It does not host the files itself. It simply generates scripts that pull files directly from Microsoft. Once you're on the website, use the search bar to search for the version you're looking for, or select a version from the list displayed on the home page. You can even find preview versions. Yes, even older builds. Click on the version you want. Now, select your language. For example, I will choose English. Then click Next. Choose the edition you need, Home, Pro, Education, etc. Then click Next. Now you will see several options. Make sure to select Download and Convert to ISO. Leave everything else by default. Then click on Create Download Package. A compressed file will download to your computer. Once the file is downloaded, right-click on it, click Extract All, open the extracted folder. Inside, you will see several files. Look for the Windows script file. If you're on Windows, run the Windows file. If you're using Mac OS, run the Mac file. If you're on Linux, run the Linux file. On Windows, right-click the file, click Run as Administrator. If Windows shows a warning, click Run Anyway. A command window will open. You will be asked to type R. Press Enter. Now the tool will start getting files directly from Microsoft servers. You will clearly see the process in the command window. This may take some time depending on your internet connection, the version size, so be patient. Once finished, the ISO file will be created automatically in the same folder. And that's it! You now have a Windows ISO got directly from Microsoft. This method is perfect if you need an older Windows version, you want a specific build, you're studying IT or doing lab testing, you prepare for certifications. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.